So since Nehru played an important role in forming the NAM only, so now let us understand about Nehru's role in our foreign policy. The first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru played a crucial role in setting the national agenda. He was his own foreign minister. Thus, both as Prime Minister and Foreign Minister, he exercised profound influence on the formation and implementation on India's foreign policy from 1946 to 1964, almost for 20 years. So we all know that our first Prime Minister for the free India was Jawaharlal Nehru, and at the same time he was our foreign minister as well. So that is why they are saying he was his own foreign minister. He had a lot of contribution and a very crucial role in forming India's national agenda, that India के लिए national goal क्या है, national agenda क्या है, okay, and he actually formulated and implemented India's foreign policy from almost 20 years, 1946 to 1964. Now when he was implementing or making goals for India's foreign policy, there were three major objectives. Nehru's foreign policy had three major objectives. What was that? To preserve the hard-earned sovereignty. That means we gained independence after a really long struggle. तो इंडिया के लिए sovereignty को maintain करना really important था. Sovereignty I have constantly explained you a lot of time. It basically means if any country is following the principle of sovereignty, it means in their internal matter no one will have a say or will try to control India internally. प्रोटेक्ट टेरिटोरियल इंटीग्रिटी. ओके, इतनी मुश्किल से इंडिया को इंडिपेंडेंस मिली थी, तो जो हमारी टेरिटरी थी उसकी इंटीग्रिटी को मेंटेन करना, उसको प्रोटेक्ट करना. एंड प्रमोट रैपिड इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट. एंड सिंस इंडिया वॉज way too weak in terms of economic development, तो somehow internationally ऐसा करना, ऐसे players के साथ associate होना जिससे हमारी economy develop हो. Nehru wished to achieve these objectives through the strategy of non-alignment. And how did he wish to achieve these three objectives? Through NAM. There were, of course, parties and groups in the country that believed that India should be more friendly with the blocs led by the US because that bloc claimed to be pro-democratic. Now, for every policy, there are difference of opinions. So, in this, on the policy of NAM as well, there was an opinion that we should, join US because US is a very pro-democratic, alliance. Among those political parties which were opposed to communism, that was followed in the USSR. जो USSR में जो communism follow हो रहा था उसके against थे. They also wanted that India should follow US foreign policy. These included the Bharatiya Jan Sangh. जो political parties influence थे, they are basically the Bharatiya Jan Sangh. Later the Swatantrata Party, and also among the leaders who wanted to join or wanted to incline towards US bloc was Dr. Ambedkar. But Nehru possessed considerable leeway in formulating foreign policy. But Nehru had its own freedom and its own scope, and he formulated the foreign policy through his own rationale.